Sandwich and I are coming for you!
Okay, let's get him. Okay, let's run.
Yeah.
Do we still have the
I have
point?
this family business. Okay, I got the spy! Ha! Yeah, slow him down.
We killed.
Yeah, we did it!
How did we kill a kunai spy? Okay, we gotta cap the point.
Bill, you cap. I'm gonna go get more health.
Okay.
Don't die.
You're using the Natasha, right?
Yo, do you want me to use it?
Yeah, it would give you health back quicker.
Oh yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing it does.
He's a spy. Dumb spy.
Why did you think it was? If he's disguised as me, ask me if I'm there, and then I'll. Aw, what? I'm not a spy, you freaking loser.
Panic attack. Okay, you're using the family business. I got the panic attack.
We'll be the fat scouts.
Oh,
Look at the pyro.
oh, of course he's going freaking scorch shot pyro.
Scorch shot pyros are the worst pyros.
Pretty much.
All right, where'd you go?
Found him. He's right behind you.
Ah!
Did he just one
He
shot?
random crit me.
How much health did you have?
He random crit me. Oh my god, the Natasha has so much ammo.
That has 1,000. This would be better if we had the freaking if we both had the Delacus bar, but I don't have it.
I don't have it either.
Oh god. He's flying. Get him.
We need to stop him.
I'm dominating him.
Yeah, we did it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm holding my minigun. Oh, that's cool.
It's mechanical tower. We're at the mechanical tower, and it's Windman, the master of wind.
This reminds me of Shovel Knight for some reason.
Yeah, kinda does.
Go!
Oh my god! This is kinda cool.
No!
Cool.
I'm coming with you. Where did you go?
Let's go.
Where's the point? I think
You
the
got
point's
me a
above.
big
Yeah, the
team.
point's above us.
Ha! he just got in my face and then he dies.
Where are you going?
Going to get health.
I'm capping the point.
Huh.
This is a nice 360.
Ha! Just 360 family business him. Ha!
Okay.
He's
a demo man.
He's a demo man now.
I saw him.
I think he has the oh, there he is. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, prepare your anus.
Ah! Oh,
I'm pulling out my
I
Natasha.
got you. Pull out the Natasha and slow him down. This is so fun. Ha!
What's this?
Where?
I picked up something that went. I don't know Mega Man. Never played a Mega Man game.
Ah!
I'm preparing my panic attack. About to sneeze on him.
No! I fell.
You fell.
Whoa!
He's a spy.
Behind you!
A chew. What's this thing up here?
That's an ammo box.
Oh, that's cool, I guess. Where's the health kit? Oh, I found one. The noise it makes is annoying when you pick it up. Pull out, prepare your sneeze gun.
My sneeze gun doesn't need to be. I saw him! He's over here. Oh, he has a panic attack too! Let me pick it up.
Wait,
I
do you
gotta
not?
stop
Dude,
reloading.
I want to use the family business because I like it more. I wish I had one.
Okay, use it. Use it, use it.
This is gonna be awesome. Oh, you have a kill streak panic attack?
I have a kill streak, family business.
Oh. I want this. This is cool. Where did you get this?
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
Nope.
You gotta hold down your sneeze.
I forgot how fast the family business shoots. Where is he?
my sneeze gun is ready.
Oh, he's somewhere.
Oh, he's the airstrike soldier. Ha!
I had to. You can't start chasing at him with your melee.
How did that kill him?
Mission
Teabag him.
ends in 30 seconds.
Just gotta hold down your sneeze gun.
I gotta get a health kit.
Yeah, I need health kit too. Oh, go medic and use the quick fix.
I don't
That
have
way
a
you
quick
can heal
fix.
me so fast.
Mission ends in 10 seconds.
If you have two, I'd gladly take one off your hands.
5, 4, 3,
We win. We're too cool for school.
victory.
Fuck yeah. I love you, Natasha. Ow, you hit me too hard.
I didn't even hit you before you killed yourself. Frozen Island, Master of Snow, Blizzard Man.
He's a Blizzard Man. How did they come up with these names?
I'm a stat man.
I'm a scat fetish. Deepity boop boop bada dope.
Bruce.
Deepy bada dope. I think the water hurts you. What? No,
Ow,
it doesn't.
ow,
How
ow,
does it?
ow. Yes, it definitely does.
Oh no! Okay.
Wait, why are you on his team?
I know. I guess it accidentally switched me. I think that he joined us. Okay.
Where's the point? I think I might have
See,
found it.
it's
It's on
in
like
the
a
middle.
boat.
Ha!
Yeah, it's on like a boat. I'm on the boat.
It's on this block of ice.
Boat.
Here, I'll command. I'll
I
be
think
the
I found
captain of the
Found
boat.
him.
Man the sails! No, don't worry. I've got my sneeze gun handy.
I got him.
I have my gun handy.
Let's switch sneeze guns.
Okay. I'll kill myself first. Okay, never mind.
Okay, we gotta hurry up and get back to the boat so we can get our guns.
Yeah.
Run! Okay.
To the sneeze gun island.
Point is being
Oh god.
Sneeze gun island. Come on.
Where's our guns? Where do we drop them? Okay, I got
We dropped him on the green side, I think.
it. I think I'm about to get your family business. Oh wait,
Get
it's H to pick it up. Ow! I think I got him.
I got it. I got your gun.
This game's awesome.
Oh my god. You can load so much into this thing.
Did you hear that?
Gotta hold down. What happened?
My brother yelled the F word like really loud. Oh god, he scorched shot.
Ah,
I gotta get some health because he scorched shot
I
me.
see him. I'm going towards him.
Where is he? I don't see him. I think he's underground.
Oh my god. Red is like 5,000.
I found him.
Beat him up.
I'm trying to.
Where'd he go?
He goes too fast. Oh, he's using power jack.
I gotcha.
Oh, he's behind me. Help me.
I'm coming.
Help me.
I'm coming. I'll save you. Ha!
I'm on fire.
Where are you on fire under the water?
No. We're at the boat.
Where are you?
We're at the boat.
I'm going on the boat. Ha! Get back here. Load your sneeze gun.
I can't. I'm trying to. He's going too fast.
We can't catch up to him. We're old men. He's.
God, keep. I got
see
him.
We got him. Gotta move
Wait,
his
do I
leg
have
a
the
little
eviction
bit.
notice? I don't think I do, sadly.
Here, I'll kill myself so you can grab it.
Oh, you dropped your minigun.
Oh. Now we both have family businesses.
The family business is much better in my mind.
Oh, where is he? Where'd he go?
Let's cap the point, then go find him.
Oh no, I see him!
Where? Hold on, I'm gonna cap
He's
the
right
point.
there.
You go get
Is he
him.
really trying to shoot through that?
Oh god, someone joined.
Yeah, nice try, bozo. Oh, there's someone else who joined.
I know, I saw that.
Now we have 2 other people to fight.
Now we have 2 people to freaking murder with the sneeze guns.
I only got the family business just for ×10. The only time.
I really want your freaking kill streak. How did you get this? Like, did you get it on like backpack.to for something?
I bought it off the market for like $1. Oh wait.
I has no $1 to spend.
Dude, there's like a parkour course over here.
Spy.
Well, not really.
Spy.
I got this.
It's you.
I was gonna be like, I got this, and then he dies. Got my mega sneeze gun.
Sorry.
Sorry, I have a cold. What?
I have a cold.
Oh, see, it's funny because this map has ice on it.
No, I was saying it because I'm using a sneeze gun. I found him.
Oh my god! Where is he?
Oh no, it was just you apparently for some reason.
Oh. Where is he?
I don't know. He's Demo Man.
Where? There's explosives. No!
Be careful.
Oh, stop him!
He's actually.
Ah! Ah! Avenge me, sneeze gun brother.
I can't. I gotta use Natasha. Where is he? I'm scared.
I'm coming.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
Ha! How did you not die? Bitch, die! He's dead. I got him.
Nice one.
Gotta load up my sneeze gun.
Sneeze gun. 2 OP.
Sneeze guns are too OP. Valve, please nerf the sneeze guns.
×10, please nerf sneeze gun. Oh god.
Ah! Avenge me.
I gotta get
He has the splendid screen. Beware. He's gonna try and stomp you with his shield. You can't die.
Mission ends.
I've got this.
I'll let you. Oh, he's at the point. He's at the point.
Boy,
Victor.
Well,
critical sneeze.
this concludes the episode today, guys. I'll see you next time.
Bye.